So this is a TEMU purchase, dual lens, dual field of view security camera. Here's the box that it came with, and it has, of course, a manual. And you have the two camera lens, and that joins the camera lens together. And you have the router that helps connects the camera to your Bluetooth, to your Wi-Fi once we set it up. And these are just what you get. The item is, of course, because of the price, you have to expect it is, it feels like plasticky, but it is sturdy, it is solid. And those are the connectors. You have two connection methods. You can connect it wired, or you can do a Wi-Fi connection. So I did plug it in first, and when you plug it in, it works very fast. It just starts tilting and working. And then, of course, with connecting it Wi-Fi, that would be your challenge. You would have to first, it says you have to scan the QR code, but I don't advise you to scan the QR code. For some reason, it says to activate the account, you would have to enter the credit card, which I did. I did choose like a credit card that's, safe, because when I entered it in, it says it's not accepting it. Like I entered two credit cards, so that's gonna be a concern. But I did figure out you don't have to enter the credit card. You can just skip the scanning the QR code. Instead, go to your phone and download the app manually. It is much better, and for me, I think it is much safer because you don't have to add a credit card. Later when you decide to
Please scan the QR code on the machine body.
Want to keep the videos, save the videos, or have more space for your recorded
Please select a Wi-Fi network for your device.
Surveillance,
enter a Wi-Fi password,
or
and
however
click
you
Next.
call it. So then you can subscribe. But here are just the steps that I did. So basically connect it to the Wi-Fi in your network Wi-Fi, and then just follow the prompts. It will tell you on your phone. It's very, very easy to set up. And once you've scanned, the only time you will scan the QR code is if it tells you to scan the security camera like this, so it can connect together with your network. That's what I would do. And then because it was not scanning, so I opted to connect the camera wired, and then from there, that's when I scanned it, just so I can connect Wi-Fi, which worked. And then see, now you can see the camera started to move. That's with a wired connection right now. But what I'm trying to do here is to actually connect to Wi-Fi. So that's going to be one of the steps. Again, follow the prompts in your phone. You would want to set it up, like you can name a setup for when you have connected it to your Wi-Fi network at home.
Please power on
Once
and
you've
click next
connected
when
it,
hearing the do
you will be able to see the settings.
Camera startup. Wait for user config.
Please select a Wi-Fi network for your device, enter a Wi-Fi password, and click next.
And once you're all set up for your Wi-Fi, then that's it. You're connected. Again, you have both options. You can use wired.
Show the QR code to the
The
device camera.
the wires are not that long, so you would have to do extension if you opt for that. But with Wi-Fi,
Try to put the router, the mobile phone,
eventually
and the device as
you would
close as
have to,
possible.
if you want to keep the footage, you would have to purchase a plan, a monthly plan for downloading or saving your captures, your video captures, which can be worth it if this is your main camera system. And follow the prompts. It will tell you that you've added it successfully, and from there you can start viewing. You can just, the next setup would be you setting, the next step would be you setting it up to a location where you want it to be. But here is a sample of what it looks like when it is connected via Wi-Fi. The video is really clear. I have a Ring camera, and this one is actually clearer than the Ring camera. And right now it's just coming up less than $25 in TEMU. So I would say at this beginning stage of the purchase, the setup, because it was I purchased it $26.33. So I could say that it's worth it. I would put it outside and check the footage and see how it records. But if we're just talking about the capture and how clear it is really clear. But here's what I'm talking about. I'm showing you quickly. There's a monthly if you opt for it, but right now I skipped that. I want to do the trial first and figure it out later on. But again, you get two or dual field of view, so you can, those are my field of view, so you can view both in your phone. So it's gonna have two split screens like that. And it is motion censored, so it can detect motion. It has a two-way audio as well, which I will be trying. It has an alarm. Is 2.4G Wi-Fi, micro SD storage, which I will check. We will probably have to buy one, and you can use cloud storage as well. You can opt to push information. It is waterproof. You can do hotspot mode, and it has infrared night vision. You can multi-share, and it's 2K Ultra HD. So at this stage, I would recommend it because the price alone, with the easy connection and the video quality, it is worth it. We'll see how it lasts, and then I will update, but that's the one. So you will just have to attach that, and there are screws that came with it. So once you find the location, then you can just attach it. But again, you will need the phone so you can download the ICam365 app.